What up, YouTube? Today we're going to be installing the wiring for this hoop. We got to wire it into the old wiring harness. So let's get to it. I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, the first one we're going to do is this green one with the yellow wire coming from the Honda harness. It's going to go to this red wire, which is the brake. This is the brake light. When you actually push on the pedal and it makes the brake light come on. Twist those wires up. Okay. That's the brake light. Next one we're going to do is this black wire coming out of the hoop tail light. We're going to hook it to the green wire coming out of the Honda harness. The green wire is the ground. Okay. There we go. There's the ground. Now, there we go. So we got the ground hooked up. Next one we're going to do is this brown wire, which is the driving light. This just keeps the light on all the time. Put some flux on it. Twist it up. And we'll solder this one in. The light just turned on in the back. Now these two are your turn signals. Okay, this is the orange wire coming out of the Honda harness, which is a turn signal. It's going to go to this yellow wire right here. Okay. Last one is baby blue coming out of the harness, out of the Honda harness, to this blue wire coming out of the hoop tail light. So blue to blue, right? So blue to blue. And there we go. Now I'll tape all that together with some electrical tape. Takes tape. Pull the wires through. Now we'll test the back. the running light. There it is. Test the brake light. So bright I can't see anything outside. Yeah, it's working. There's the brake light. Brake light. Alright, it's night time. I'll show you what the tail light looks like. There's the brake light. Different turn signals. There you go. That's how you install a tail light.